unplug this, still got nothing. If I turn this off and turn it back on, I got nothing here. A second ago it was working, and now it's not working. If I turn it off, turn this off, and if I press that, so now it's going to work. Still nothing. Now I got throttle, but no steering. A second ago I had steering, but no throttle.
This is Spektrum.
This is Spektrum.
Spektrum, please increase the quality control.
Oh, now we got steering, but no throttle. Didn't even touch anything.
Yeah, didn't even touch anything, and it switched from throttle working to not working, to steering working, not working.
No, I got nothing. Light's still on, but I got now I got it. It's on for a second. Now it's back. Now I got both. Literally, I touched nothing.
Yeah,
I went from
I saw that.
Throttle, no steering, steering, no throttle, to both.
And I got it all on video.
Yeah. So now it's working. I haven't plugged in your brake yet, so let me turn it off. Turn this off. Turn that back on. Turn this back on. Let's see if it actually works. Yeah, I got it. Took a second. Put that on later. No brakes though. Let's try calibrating it again. Doesn't want to calibrate. No, now it's calibrated. I'm sure I'm doing something wrong, but this thing's got a mind of its own. Plug in the ebrake. I'm not sure which one it goes into, but we'll try 3 this time. Give it a second. Lights on, but nothing's happening. Like that. Unplug the e-brake and it comes to life. No brake. Call Horizon. I'll leave it open until you call him. When you call him, ask him which channel to plug this into. I don't know if it goes into 1, 2, or 3.
Right now?
You can try calling him now, or 4. I don't know if that took up right now.
How do I call him?
Go to horizonhobby.com and see if you can find their number.